Hello guys, here in this video today I'm going to show you how to make your video rotate on your VLC media player. You can configure your video to rotate 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree or even 300 degree on your VLC media player. So if you are of the opinion that how do I make VLC rotate my video, this is the video you need to watch. So in this video I'll teach you how to rotate VLC video as well as how to save VLC rotated video so that you can play it on another media player other than the default VLC media player you configured. But for the record, if you want to revert this option, do not forget to reset your VLC, otherwise all your video on VLC will be played on the rotated screen. So guys, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is you need to launch your VLC media player. As you can see, this is my VLC media screen. So you need to click on Tools, over to Effect, or press Ctrl E on your computer over to Effect and Filters. Now you need to click on Video Effect under Adjustment of Effect. Click on Geometry. Now you need to tap on the Transform option to check it. Now go to Rotate VLC Video option. Here you have Rotate by 90 degree, Rotate by 180 degree, Rotate by 270, Flip Video horizontally, Flip VLC video vertically, Transpose and Anti-Transpose. But we are interested on how to either flip VLC video 90, 180 or more degrees. So what you need to do is you need to select the degree level in which you want your video to rotate on VLC. So in this case, I'm going to choose 180 degree rotation. So I'll click on the Save button, then click on Close. Alternatively, you can click on Tools, Effect, Video, and click on Rotate. Here you can adjust the angle you want your VLC video to rotate. Now, so by default you can rotate 360 degree. You can rotate VLC video 360 degree. So after that you need to click on the Save button and Close. Now that we have rotated the VLC screen, now let us confirm it. Now click on the media, open files, find the video you want to play on a rotated screen. I'll just open a random video in this guide. Let me look for random video. Okay, Tyler Perry video. Okay, okay. Just let me look for okay, this highest paid athlete. Can you see this screen is rotated 180 degree? To confirm that, let me come back. You see I have my normal video screen. So to rotate it now, I just have to go to Effect, Video, Geometry, and transform this. Then choose my rotation. Maybe, can you see? If I want to flip horizontally, I want to flip vertically, I can even transpose. Or what about the anti-transpose? So whichever choice you choose, you just need to select it from the VLC rotate option. So now it's unfortunate that on the rotated screen, if you close the VLC media player right away, then you'll not be able to play the video on another media player as rotated. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to save this this video as rotated video and play it on another media player. So what you need to do is go to go to Tools, scroll down to Preference or press Ctrl P. Now on this screen you need to scroll down and go to Show Settings. and check all. Now this will take you to where you can, to your VLC advanced settings, where you can order some settings to your own need. So you need to stroke down under advanced settings to video option and click on filter. Now you need to check transform video filter. Now the next thing after that is to click on save. Okay, you now have to click on filter. We're done. So after that, now on this screen, on the effect screen, where you show all preference, and click filter, so this option will transform the video to your choice. So once the video has been transformed, now next thing you need to do is you need to go to media, find convert and save, or press Ctrl R and click on it. Now you need to tap on the add button under file. Now select the video you want to rotate, or the rotated video. We are dealing with highest speed athletic published. Now we have this. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to click on the convert and save button. Now come to profile. Under profile, make sure you select MP4, that is video H2.64 MP3 MP4, and click on the Cogwell GS settings icon. Good. Now make sure you check MP4/MOV under encapsulation. Now go to video codec and tap on filters. Now scroll down until you see video transformation filter. Now click on video transformation filter and click on the audio codec and tap or check keep original audio track. Good. Now you need to click on the save button. While you are on this page, now you need to browse for your file destination. Then give the file name, maybe, or let's say new highest paid athlete published. Let's see. Okay, click save. Now you need to click on the start button. Start. So this will take VLC a few seconds to convert, and once the conversion is done, it will be saved as a rotated video. So now okay, let me see, save, sorry, okay, you need to add .mp4. Remember we selected mp4 above. To add .mp4. Good. Now and click on save as usual, then tap start. Then VLC will convert the video and save it on your device as a rotated video. So can you see? That is it. So fine. Even the title, take a look at the title bar. It shows new highest paid athlete published MP4. Now this screen has been rotated. Now you can now transfer this video to any media player and it will be played on a rotated screen. So guys, if you enjoyed this step-by-step procedure on how to rotate video on your VLC media player, kindly hit the like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss on our next update.